Hi guys, uTP the Prince wakwamsomi kwiPrison Studios ngiphethe imfethu uMawelele my brother, shout out man.
Ya kubafu Crane.
Ngikhere kakhulu kuhamba kanjani?
Apha kupholiwe
Bafethu injalo nje namhlanje bafethu uTP the Prince wakwamsomi bafethu umfana waseDurban. Siyakucheckela ukuthi ke kwenzakalani in and around eThekwini bafethu. So namhlanje sireporter sibukhoma bafethu eSuncoast bafethu kwibayede listening session. So ziyawa kakhulu bafethu insizwa nezintokazi ezikhona niyayibonela uMawelele.
Themba lo, shout out to my brother Prison Studios. Please make sure you subscribe, you follow, you share it. Ufowethu lo. Themba lo.
Namaplana mangaka nginefise ingaka ingakho ngisebenza lalela wemngami namaplana mangaka nginefise ingaka ingakho ngisebenza lalela wemngami dala umuzwe klasi mina ngizokwakhela mina ngizokuthengela.
Oh, what's up my people? This is your boy Umawelele, of course. Love a boy we country bafethu. Guys, listen mfethu sila kwibayede listening session mfethu. We here to listen to good music. Oka Danya Devs. Shout out to Danya Devs. Shout out to Prison Studios. Dako.
See the way I see Coca-Cola.